How to add your business location on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to suggest your place directly through the app on Android and iPhone. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device and tap your profile icon at the top left corner. From there, tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. After that, scroll down to the Privacy Controls section and tap on See My Location. At this point, tap on Suggest a Place to open the business location form. From here, start by typing in your business name in the field provided. Following this, select the address for your business from the options that appear. After that, choose the appropriate category and attributes that best describe your business. From there, add your opening and closing hours so people know when you're available. At this stage, you can also include your website link and phone number to make it easier for customers to reach you directly. Finally, once everything is filled out, tap Save to submit your suggestion. Your place will be reviewed and updated on Snapchat's map accordingly. Keep in mind that Snapchat doesn't have a dedicated business listing feature just yet, so suggesting a place is currently the best way to get your business showing up on the map. That's how you add your business location on Snapchat. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!